I know, I'm just a huge disappointment, and I'm so sorry. Hi, hello, welcome to Beater Box. What is today, Monday? Yeah, sure, we'll say it's Monday. Thanks for tuning in, friendo. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. Today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can go to that website and all these shoes that we're pulling out of this beater box will be there for sale if you want to check them out or buy them or do nothing. The choice is yours. Endless choices? No, there's only like 3 something involved. Hey, pals! This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy on social media. They do not have memberships, so you cannot buy these boxes, but they will be releasing memberships, so I don't have to answer questions in the comments anymore. This box, how much was this box? It's just a little guy. This box was $450 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $500. A nice even number. Hey look, there's a counter. His name is Clarence. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. And then we're going to break down the entire projected, I guess you could say, value of the box versus how much I paid, because we want to make money on these boxes, because otherwise I would just be bankrupt, but I have a lot of shoes, and that's just not really a good way to live. So let's open the box and see what's in here. $400 boxes are usually okay. It's not gonna be anything crazy in these, don't get me wrong. There's probably gonna be some NMDs, I'm just saying. I'm willing to bet there's at least 1 or 2 NMDs in this box. There's Adidas boxes right away. I might be right. Wow, there's a lot of Adidas in here. That sucks. Well, the first one out is a Jordan 20. It's a Jordan 20, I don't know what it is. It's a size 8. But there it is, this goofy strap. It's got the massive Wi-Fi signal on the heel too. These are in good shape. I just don't know what in the googly moogly they are. So here's your first shoe out. Ooh, let's try this one. Anyway, there's your first shoe out. It's a Jordan 20. Can you see it? It's a Jordan 20 in size 8. If you're interested in that shoe, or you made it this far without being like, wow, this dude sucks, that shoe will be available at my website at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. Good God, there's like 4 Adidas boxes. Let's just blow through these because there's no way. Oh, good. There's a box of air. It's probably worth more than the actual Adidas shoe itself. Burn. This is a obviously damaged box. No, this is not. This is a replacement box. It has to be because this is not the colorway. It's some kind of, I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is. It's a blue Adidas with a gum outsole. Maybe it's got Boost on it, so that's something. But there you go. All suede upper, it's blue. It's not a bad looking shoe. I just have no idea what it is because I don't pay attention to Adidas. So there you go. Size 8, blue something with a replacement box. Size 8 Rivalry Low. What? Well, at least it's dead stock, so that's cool. At least I think. I can't tell. There you go. This is a pretty cool shoe if you want to hang out in dance clubs in Moscow, I guess. Yeah. These will go good with any kind of sweatpants, I guess. I don't know. It's not a bad shoe. It's actually color blocked, which you don't see happen a lot in Adidas, but it's a Rivalry Low. Whatever that is, size 8, dead stock shape. More Adidas, because I want to look like even more of a moron. We got a Superstar 80 in a size 7.5. So this is actually pretty cool. So these are lightly worn. It's a Superstar 80, but let me see if I can do this. So we'll start with the left shoe. It's got this fuzzy, it says Super Star on the heel. It's all white. It's good old toe cap thing going on here, but yeah. 9 out of 10 condition, I don't know. Size 7.5, Superstar 80. There's another Adidas in here. I got a Y3 Saiku. I probably messed that up, but it's a size 8. Colorway says black. It's exactly what it is. They're not dead stock, but all black Boost. Some kind of weird looking Y3 collab. I have nothing to say about these because I just don't care about Adidas, so I don't know much about Adidas. There you go. Size 8. This video is Pretty crappy, if you ask me. Looks like this is the last Adidas though, so that's good. A young 96 in a size 8. Well, they appear to be dead stock, so that's good. There you go. Some kind of like tan with orange and navy blue. A little bit of hint of Volt yellow on the bottom. Nothing going on here. It just looks kind of like a dad's shoe. Size 8, dead stock pair. Between these 5 Adidases, I'm willing to bet there's probably about $125 in value. That would be my guess. But I also severely undervalue Adidas because they're impossible to sell. This box sucks. So let's see if these 3 can save it. Got a Jordan, size 11, Air Jordan 1 Low. That's pretty cool. This is actually a size 12.5 Jordan 1 in the crimson tint colorway with a replacement box. They're worn, but there's no star loss, no heel drag, just a little bit of creasing on the toe box. This is just a classically blocked Jordan 1. Quality just isn't really that great, but it's a cool looking shoe, I guess. Size 12.5, so it'll be tough to move, but there you go. A Jordan 1 in a crimson tint colorway in a 12.5. That's weird. I'm okay with that though. Next up, we got an Air Force Max 2013 Premium Quick Strike in a size 10. This is Area 72. And these appear to be dead stock. So that's pretty cool. This is an all-star release. Dang. In a size 10. The outsoles glow. It's got the little alien dude on the tongue, which is pretty cool. Slept on shoe in my opinion. These are a little bit older, but still really cool if you ask me. Dead stock shape too. Can't sneeze at that. Size 10, Air Force Max. Area 72. Huh. That's not a bad shoe to get. I do not mind that at all. And the last shoe looks like a 5 or a 6. Size 12. Jordan 6 Retro. Wow. Is this the new release? Yeah. Size 12. This is the Infrared 6 from last year. Now, the uppers are in really good shape. A little bit of dirt on the bottom, but we're gonna clean these up with Reshoevnator. Reminder, reshoevnator.com, 30% off any order, $30 or more with the code SBMitch30 until the end of the month. So you got a couple more days if you wanna check that out, but really great shape. The box is in good shape too. There's just dirt on the outsole. It's not even discolored or anything. There's just some schmutz that I gotta clean up, but dang, these are in really great shape. This is definitely at least half of the box right here. These have to be going for at least 200, 250 bucks. So there you go. There's the last shoe. Wow. The last 3 shoes definitely helped this box's cause. So there you go. $450 Sole Supremacy beater box. That's kind of what I expected. I did not expect 5 Adidases, but let's take a look at the breakdown, see what's going on here. Breakdown! There you go. That's kind of what I expected from this kind of box. I don't know what to do with those Adidases. Those are gonna be mega cheap. It is what it is. I can't really be disappointed because I knew this was probably what was gonna be in a $450 box. So hey, whatever. These shoes will be available at 6 p.m. today on my website, sbmitch.com. You can check it out if you want, and that's totally up to you. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you had a really great weekend, and I hope the week ahead is even more awesome. So, till next time, take care of each other. Remember, remember to make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. If you're not having fun, then stop doing it, because why would you do something that isn't fun anymore? So, see you later. Bye!